Autodesk Seek in AutoCAD 2010 replaces the previous content search in previous versions of AutoCAD. It's available on the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen, and the drawing I've got open you'll recognise from previous videos on this Quick Start course. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to look for doors in the Autodesk Seek website. So there's the content panel. I type doors in here, and then what I do is I click on this button here or press enter, and it will open up an Internet Explorer page. Now this will chug a little bit. As you can see, it's taking its time, but it's going and finding all the doors, as you can see there, that are DWG files on the Autodesk Seek website. I can also look for DWFs, I can look for Revit files, RFAs and RVGs, even zip files with libraries of doors in them. I'm going to stick with DWG for now. Notice Autodesk Seek currently serves the US AEC market. That means that if you're bringing US content into a UK drawing, where I'm based, you will need to scale appropriately from imperial to metric. You can also work with Revit, the Revit architecture market there, by buying, selling and trading Revit families on TurboSquid. I'm not running Revit at the moment, so that's just purely a pointer there to show you where it is. Let's have a look, instead of looking for manufacturers here, let's have a look in the community and do a search there and see what we can find. Now, I've got a door there with a fire rating. I want to look at the details of that. So I click on details here, and that will give me the details of that one individual door. It looks like an AutoCAD block with some attributes there, fire rating and door material. If I click on this little down arrow here, it now shows me a little DWG file with a little pipette. That pipette indicates that it's an eyedrop piece of technology. Eyedrop is here. You can click here and find out about eyedrop if you want to, but what it is, it's a plugin for Internet Explorer that allows you to drag and drop Autodesk content into AutoCAD from the internet. So I tick my door. I want to drag and drop that now into my drawing. How do I do that? My drawing is behind the Internet Explorer window. I minimize the window, and there's AutoCAD behind. So I just need to slightly move around here. It requires a little bit of navigation. Okay, so I move over here. It says click the thumbnail to drag and drop. So I click, I hold the mouse button down, and as you can see, I've got an hourglass there that kicks in. And what it's doing now is it's downloading that information. But if I just click here once, you'll notice the reason it's pausing there and not downloading it is I have to agree to the terms and conditions of the Autodesk Seek website. You only have to do this once, and it places a cookie in your Internet Explorer. So I tick there to say I've read the terms and conditions, I accept, and then I can now work with this file. Notice the pipette appears. I don't have the little pointy hand like I normally do with an internet page. So now I click and hold, I get the no entry symbol. When I drag into the drawing area, the pipette fills up, indicating that I need to release the mouse button. That is now dragging that block, as you can see, from the internet into my drawing. I left click. It asks for a door material. I'm just going to press enter there to accept the defaults, and the fire rating is 10. And there's my block. Straight off Autodesk Seek into my drawing. You'll notice that is a block. If I click on it there, and you can see with the tooltip there, it's telling me that it's come from the Autodesk content website. If I click on it there, you can see it's a block with a grip, like so. I can move it around in the drawing if I need to, and it acts just like any other block. Now, think about the usage there. Loads and loads and loads of Autodesk information on the Autodesk Seek website. Instead of building your information by drawing it and making it into a block, go and search for it first on Autodesk Seek and reuse content that people have placed on Autodesk Seek for you to use in your drawings. As you can see, AutoCAD 2010 provides an effective, productive interface for Autodesk Seek.